Malaysia will not quit until Azzimudie Kiram, who led the armed insurgent into Lahad Datu in Sabah, is brought back to Malaysia to face charges. Attorney General Tan Sri Abdul Gani Patail says the self-proclaimed Raja Muda of Sulu cannot escape the long arm of the law. He says Azzimudie must stand trial for his crimes in a Malaysian court. Abdul Gani, speaking at a press conference at his office in Putrajaya, says Malaysian authorities will not stop until Azzimudie, also known as Azzimudin, is brought back. Azzimudie is believed to have slipped back to the Philippines after Malaysian security forces launched an attack on his group of gunmen earlier this month. The Attorney General adds that it does not matter whether or not the terrorist leader is a Malaysian citizen, as recently claimed by the opposition, as the law does not discriminate against nationality. Abdul Gani also brushed aside claims by the self-styled Sultan of Sulu, Jamalul Kiram, that the 8 Sulu militants recently charged in the connection to the invasion were Malaysian citizens.
The self-proclaimed Sultan said that the guys we charge in court are Malaysians. I can assure you they are not Malaysians.
Abdul Gani, however, declines to say how many more from the over 300 militants and their supporters detained will be charged in court for various offences, as the prosecuting team needs to make sure that they have a case against each and every individual. He adds that his office is also working on getting the Philippines to assign lawyers to represent all those who have been and will be charged in court, failing which he has asked the Sabah Law Association and the Malaysian Bar to work out a mechanism to provide legal representation for the accused.
Though I am prosecuting them, it doesn't mean that I do not believe that their rights should be given. Their rights must be given. Whether I like it or not, doesn't matter. Whether anybody likes it or not, their rights must be preserved. So we will give them the rights. To everybody who says his right, their rights are not being provided. Yeah. If we wanted to be funny, we would have just taken the plea. In fact, in open court, one of them said, well, we were paid to do this. I don't want to mention which name. That could have been taken a plea of guilt already, and I could have him in jail, but that's not right. Okay? So we play the games, in fact, more than fair.